We have about 300 people who are here to get information about how their businesses are going to respond to healthcare reform. We have a myriad of rules, regulations, insurance policies that are going to be going into effect, and businesses are hungry for information on what do we do.
Over 95% of Arkansas businesses will have to do nothing in the Affordable Care Act. If you have 50 or fewer employees, there are no requirements whatsoever. For our larger businesses, there are requirements that are going to have them have more skin in the game and more responsibility for their employees. And I think that's what some of the discussion will be here today.
You know, as a legislative body, there may be just a handful of legislators themselves that have come out for the expansion or for the exchanges and even have an understanding of the ACA. And so I think it speaks to the legislative body that we're going to, kind of sit tight right now, gather all the information we can, and make a decision that's best for Arkansas.
Clearly the biggest challenge is going to get agreement between Republicans and Democrats in both the executive, legislative, and business sectors. The Medicaid expansion, from my perspective, is a singular opportunity for Arkansas to solve a problem that we will never have enough individual money to solve on our own. The federal government, through Medicaid, helps poor states care for their citizens. Arkansas has never taken optimal advantage of that, and this is a single one-time opportunity for us to take a load off of the citizens and the employers in the state to have federal tax dollars help us solve that problem.
The Medicaid rules have not been written yet. I mean, I think before we accept the expansion, we have to know what those new Medicaid rules mean to Arkansas and then put in the proper provisions. If we need to opt out or if we need to ask for waivers, we need to do that now rather than accepting the expansion and then going back and asking for those opt-outs.
I hope that the crowd today will have far more information than what they had before, and they'll be able to better explain to their employees what the options are and why they have to make some really serious decisions.